Today, I'm going to introduce you to 5 essential tools that will help you in your auto shop or for personal use. Let's get started. Number 1. OBD2 Scanner. First up, let's meet the OBD2 Scanner. This is an incredibly useful tool for checking your car's engine diagnostics. If you want to quickly identify any issues with your engine, this tool is perfect for you. It helps you detect engine problems in no time, saving you a lot of time and hassle while troubleshooting. Number 2. Hydraulic Jack. Next, we have the hydraulic jack. This tool is used to lift your car, especially when changing tires or doing underbody repairs. Its strong design allows you to safely and efficiently lift the car, making it easier to work underneath or replace components like tires. Number 3. Electric Impact Wrench. Now, let's take a look at the electric impact wrench. This tool will help you quickly loosen or tighten nuts and bolts, especially when you're working on big projects and need to get things done fast. Its powerful motor ensures the job is done efficiently, saving both time and effort. Number 4. Multimeter. Next on the list is the multimeter. This tool is essential for checking your car's electrical system. Whether you're diagnosing issues with the battery, fuses, or other electrical components, this tool is the perfect solution. It allows you to check the functionality of your car's electrical parts with ease. Number 5. Torque Wrench. Finally, we have the Torque Wrench. This tool is incredibly important for tightening nuts and bolts to the correct torque settings. If you don't tighten them correctly, your vehicle's safety could be jeopardized. That's why having a torque wrench is a must-have for any auto shop or personal car maintenance.